Hi there. In our last section, you learned how to define a quadrilateral. In this section, you are going to learn about the different types of quadrilaterals. So let's begin. Types of quadrilaterals. We have 5 different types of quadrilaterals. So the first type is a square. The second type of quadrilateral is called rhombus. The third type of quadrilateral is called parallelogram. The fourth type of quadrilateral is called rectangle. And the fifth type of quadrilateral is called trapezium. In this section, the main focus is to talk about the parallelogram and its properties. So, parallelogram is defined as a four-sided figure with 4 angles. In order to explain the parallelogram, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider a parallelogram. So this is my parallelogram A, B, D, C. The vertices of the parallelograms are A, B, D, C, and the angles are angle 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, side AC is congruent to BD and side AB is congruent to CD. So let's talk about the properties of the parallelogram. Property 1. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent. It simply means that AB is congruent and parallel to CD, which is over here. So I can write AB is equal to CD and BD is equal to CA, which is over here. Property 2. Diagonals divide the parallelogram into congruent triangles. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect vertices B and C. So if I do that, I will get BC, which is basically the diagonal of the parallelogram ABDC. And if you look closely, I have one triangle over this diagonal and the other triangle is below the diagonal. So basically I'm getting two triangles ABC and I'm getting triangle BCD. So based on this property, I can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BCD. Property 3. Corresponding angles are supplementary. It simply means that if I add any two angles next to each other, then the sum should be equal to 180 degrees. So let's follow that. And if I do that, I will write angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180, which is over here. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180, which is over here. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180, which is over here. And last pair is angle 4 plus angle 1 is 180, which is over here.